So just going to do a walkthrough on a few of the projects that we have going on in the shop here. There's the managers, service manager, parts manager, Barney and Barlow. First off, new YXZ 1000. Doing simple service, checking valves, drive fluids. (2016) Honda Pioneer. Simple service, installing winch and plow system. 2018 Can-Am Defender. Installing a worn winch with a 72-inch blade. This is a 2014 Razor XP 900 using oil with about 4,800 miles. Rebuilding the top end. This is a 2015 850 SP with about 700 miles. Have to rebuild the entire engine. One connecting rod's good, the other one not so good. Ranger 1000, putting some canvas doors on, and then the same 72-inch blade. Full plow system on that one as well. Haven't quite started on snowmobiles yet. This is a 2015 Sportsman 570 starting hard. Tight valves. Exhaust valve clearances are fine. Intakes are super tight, which is from dirt being sucked in through the intake. Running stock air filters, paper ones. I would highly suggest doing a double foam uni filter that you can clean and reuse. So this one we're going to have a machinist do a valve job, install new valves, and get it so the intake are like the exhaust here, so it does not move. These guys are working hard as usual. Typical day for them. And then lastly, got two front gear cases that we are rebuilding. The one issue is on a 2014 Ranger 570. Front differential, four-wheel drive kicks in and out. Low on oil, which then put grooves in the all-wheel drive cage. And then took out the armature, which is what powers up the entire four-wheel drive. So rebuilding this as well. Along with another 2010 Ranger 400. This one's got the shaft completely destroyed on it. Got to rebuild that one as well. And that's about it for this week.